Help measure pressure changes within fuel tank. Help alert engine management computer if a leak occurs in fuel system. Mount type. Direct mount. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. 3 Spade terminals. ACDelco GM original equipment fuel tank pressure sensors are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle A Euro S original components. These sensors help measure pressure changes within your vehicle A Euro S fuel tank. They also help alert your vehicle A Euro S engine management computer if a leak occurs in your vehicle A Euro S fuel system. These original equipment sensors have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly. My husband's truck was throwing a code for this sensor to be replaced. Of course, neither the local Napa or AutoZone had it in stock. Amazon to the rescue. This fit and works exactly as it should, and our mechanic had no trouble making the swap. 2011 Chevy 2500 HD.